put the car in park, please?
Yes, sir.
Have your driver's license, vehicle registration. Can you take a guess on why we are stopping you?
Because we, drove really fast with the...
On January 29th, 2023, in Orlando, Florida, police officers encountered a dangerous situation when a suspected drunk driver nearly hit them and a nearby family.
You didn't know it was you guys?
Of course not. You almost ran over 5 people.
This is the moment everything shifts. From a simple traffic stop to something much more serious. You can sense the tension as the officers realize just how close everyone came to disaster.
Can you turn the car off?
Yes, of course. Can I pull?
Nope. I don't want you driving anymore because due to your eyes, I believe you to be drunk.
I'm not that drunk.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. What, are you part of OPD?
Yes.
Okay, my brother's Winter Garden.
How do you think your brother's gonna feel if I call him and tell him your sister is drunk driving?
No,
at a high rate of
I'm
speed?
not drunk driving. I'm not. I'm
Okay.
literally parking up here. I'm sorry.
Again, I'm not talking to you, ma'am.
Lorena,
Again, I'm not talking.
Lorena, just please stop.
Okay. But due to your speech and your eyes, you're drunk. We can play this game, and I can get you out of the investigation, or you can kind of cooperate, because I'm going to do it.
I will cooperate with you, whatever you want me to do.
But due to your eyes and your slurred speech, you're drunk.
I'm not slurred speech. Hey, listen. I'm really not.
Cool. So your driving is really bad. You almost ran over a group of people.
I remember you guys.
Almost. No, not us. A group of non-cops. Cops are not, it's still dangerous that you could have hit somebody. No, I'm not worried about the cops. I'm worried about the family. And we were dealing with one car for a separate reason. And you come out and you...
I apologize. Can you tell me I apologize?
Apology's not going to do anything. I hear you. It's not going to matter.
What's your name?
Alvarez. You keep laughing as if it's funny.
It's not
It's
a
very
joke at all.
serious.
I know it's not a joke.
Okay, is there anyone that's sober in the car?
I am. I'm fine. I promise you I'm okay.
Yeah.
The driver's laughter and shifting emotions, denial, jokes, apologies, show just how out of touch she is with the danger of the situation. It's a mix of anxiety and deflection that's hard to watch.
I'm sorry. I know you're not talking to me at all. No,
It's not that I don't... Sure, go ahead, I'm listening.
No, please. We have someone that can pick us up. I'm sorry. I feel like we have someone.
That decision should have been made prior to you driving.
We were literally right around the corner. We were just moving to this parking lot.
Honestly, we don't mean to cause any problems for anyone.
We were literally just moving from one parking lot to the other, and that's all we were doing. That's all we were doing. So I apologize.
It's okay. It's nothing personal.
We didn't want to hurt anyone.
Luckily, you did it.
Honestly, if we would have hurt anyone, we would have stopped and probably risked our whole lives for them. Honestly, we're probably the best people you've ever met.
I doubt that.
We should say
That would have been the smartest thing to do.
we were just trying to get closer to where we're going.
I don't know anything, but I'm really
I don't think... I just met you.
Sir,
I don't form an opinion of someone that I just met. Yes.
can I pull up or something? Am I going to get arrested?
Probably.
Can I get arrested for her?
Because you're not driving.
Inside of her.
No, ma'am.
Can you get up the seat now?
I will take both of you to jail for DUI if I have probable cause. If you think that's funny.
I will go to jail for
No, that's
It's
fine.
not funny. No,
I don't mind.
stop.
I've done it before when boyfriend and girlfriends want to do.
Notice how the officers keep their tone calm, even as the driver insists she's fine. They're focused on keeping everyone safe, despite the chaotic energy in the car.
Can you pass me the high noon in the center console, please?
Yes. Pass it to him. Listen to him. Oh my god.
Thank you.
This is fucking...
Gentlemen, can I get one of you guys to help me out here?
No, stop.
What's your first name?
Kim.
Kim, I'm gonna have you step out for a DUI investigation, okay? Kim, we're gonna walk back here towards the back of the Tahoe, okay?
Can I ask you like a personal question?
Sure, what you got?
How old are you?
That doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
You told me. I asked you, can I ask you a personal
And you
question?
can. I'm just. It doesn't mean I'm gonna answer. Do you have a separate question?
That's fine. No.
All right, Kim. Listen, I believe you to be intoxicated. Okay? I believe you to be intoxicated for several reasons. Your slurred speech, your eyes, okay, and you're like fumbling around in the center console, in the glove compartment, when you were trying to give me the registration. Okay?
Because I have never had to do that before.
And that's fine. That's fine. I get it.
I apologize. I've never had to actually take out my driver's license or anything. I've never been pulled over really. Like I've been pulled over one time.
Stand right there by the driver door.
Right here?
Right here by the driver door.
I cannot hear you. That
Oh,
well.
sorry. Stand right here by the driver door.
Yes, sir.
Face me. All right, Kim. You see the top of my pen?
Yes, I do.
Can you pick a finger and touch it? Perfect. Put it back down. So you're gonna stand still, okay?
Do you want me to lean against the car or no?
Nope. Stand up straight. Keep your arms out at your side. With your eyes and your eyes only.
Here, the driver's confusion and nervousness are on full display. Field sobriety tests aren't just about checking boxes. They reveal the real, immediate risks of impaired driving.
You're gonna follow the tip of my pen, okay? The same tip that you just touched, okay?
Okay.
Don't move your head.
This is weird. You're tricking me right now. Like, can I ask a question?
Hold on, just finish the exercise first.
Am I allowed to blink?
Yeah.
You're fucking tricking me.
You're gonna continue to follow the pen, okay?
Wait, can I say one thing now that the exercise is done?
It's not done yet, but go ahead.
Okay. I don't have that great of a vision.
That's fine.
Like my vision's like fucked up.
It has
Anyways,
nothing to do with your vision, okay?
Follow the tip of the pen.
The entire pen. You're doing great. So, any idea what that exercise was?
Yes, this is check if I'm like intoxicated and am I okay to drive.
Yes.
And my brother was a police officer in Winter Garden for 7 years. Yes, would he be upset with me?
This has nothing to do with your brother. But
I know.
the exercise, so if these are your eyeballs, it's called an involuntary jerking of the eyes, which means
It was doing it?
Absolutely. Every single one, every single time, multiple times.
Are you sure? Because I
Yes.
think I was following very.
So it's a muscle. You don't feel it. You don't control it. Basically, what it does is when your eyeballs try to follow the pen, they do this. For example, it'll jerk this way or it'll jerk that way, and they'll jerk
So
together.
mine were like.
Your eyeballs are like this the entire time. A consistent, steady movement. Kim, you are drunk. You are drunk to the point where I can take you lawfully to jail for what you are doing.
Okay.
You're endangering yourself. You're endangering the public.
Can you take away?
Yep.
This really sucks, Paul.
Right foot, left foot, heels and toes touching. All right, put your arms down at your side. Hold on. No one told you to start, see? Failure to follow instructions. That
You
means
said
you're
right
drunk.
foot, left foot, and I was just.
And then
following.
put your arms down at your side. Heels and toes touching as instructed. Okay. You're gonna hold that position until I tell you to begin the exercise, okay? When I tell you to do so, you're gonna put the foot behind.
Can I take my shoes off? Because these shoes are big on me.
Yeah, go ahead.
I can?
Yep.
Oh my god. Don't laugh at my socks.
It's okay.
My socks are fucking ugly.
You ready to begin?
Hold on, now my feet hurt. Okay, I'm ready.
Put your arms down at your side, and you're gonna stay in this position until I tell you to begin the exercise, okay?
Okay.
When I tell you to begin, you're gonna do the following. You're gonna count out loud steps 1 through 10, okay? When you begin, the foot that's behind you're going to put it in front of the other, touching heels to toe, and you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and so on until the 10th step. Okay? Once you reach to the 10th step, the foot that's in front, you're going to leave that foot there. You're going to take a series of small steps. You're going to turn around. It is a lot. You're going to turn around and do the same thing going the other way. 1, 2, and 3. All right? And you're going to continue counting until you get to 10. You got it?
All right.
You got any questions?
Is this enough for 10 steps?
Let's figure it out. That's okay. You got small feet, so I think you may have it. Are you ready to begin? Go ahead.
1, 2.
You can't use the car to stand up.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Begin. You're going to raise one foot, either or foot, whichever one you choose, left or right. Okay? And you're going to begin counting out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. You're going to continue counting out loud until I tell you to stop, okay?
Can I say one thing?
Sure.
I've seen this in videos and stuff. It's fucked up because it's just messed up.
Are you ready to begin?
It's messed up.
Let me get my timer.
Every failed step and anxious excuse is a reminder that DUI isn't about intent. It's about consequences. The officers know what's at stake and keep the process steady, despite pushback.
Until what number?
Until I tell you to stop. You're going to continue counting. You got to keep your arms down at your side, okay?
Like this?
Yep.
And then just pick up one foot.
Just raise one foot, point your toe out, whichever one you choose, and count out loud. 1001, 1002.
1001, 1002. I can't even I barely talk. Okay.
You ready?
I speak Spanish and English, so
you can count in whatever language you want. Y yo hablo español, so tú me avisas, yo te traduzco. You're not going to get me, Kim.
No. I'm not going to get
Kim, are you ready to begin?
Yes, sir.
Begin.
All right. I can begin when I want?
Yep.
All right. 1001, 1002, 1003.
Keep your arms down at your side.
1004, 1005, 1006, 1007.
Put your foot down, you can't hold on to the car. Continue.
1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 2000?
All right, Kim, you can stop. Kim, based off these exercises, please don't do what? Take you to jail because you are twice over the legal limit for your height and body weight.
My boyfriend picked me up. He's a fireman.
I don't care who's a fireman and who's not. Okay?
My brother will come pick me up.
Can you put your shoes back on for me, please? Kim, can you please put your shoes back on? You're going to stand with my corporal for just a minute? Don't look at me like that. Don't ask for forgiveness. It's not going to work. Just please put your shoes on. Kim, can you put your arms behind your back, please? You're being placed under arrest for DUI.
No, please don't
Kim,
do this.
please.
Ashley's able to drive.
It's not about driving. Kim, can you please put your hands behind your back, please? Kim, don't...
As the cuffs go on, the gravity hits. For the driver, it's a sudden collapse from laughter to reality. For the officers, it's relief that nobody was hurt, this time.
Resist, please. Don't do that. DUI is kind of a big deal, but it's not the end of the world. Can you separate your hands from your...
It is a big deal.
It is, but please, I don't want to have to charge you for extra charges for no reason, okay? Alright, Kim. Kim, is there anything in your pockets? Any cash, money, anything like that? Okay. Alright, Kim. Let's walk towards the car.
Wait, can I talk to my friends real quick?
In about 2 minutes, yes.
Can I get there?
Yep, I will get you phone numbers.
No, wait.
I have to, Kim. Please, Kim, can you please put your...
Officer,
Watch your